Hi, my name is Kieth Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. We have another great video in store for you today. Today we're going to be working on the Chum Kiu form. Chum Kiu is the second of the three empty hand forms of Wing Chun. It builds on many of the basic principles and techniques learned in the first Wing Chun open hand form, the Silam Tao. But before we get into that, I need you to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom of the page here. And please click on the bell to always, so you'll always stay up to date on whatever videos that we have released. Okay, everybody, enjoy your training.
Pull both arms back, sink the body down, Hyun Gurk left, then right. Set the Ma, double Gan low, then high, retract the arms. Vertical punch on the left, Hyun Sao. Vertical punch on the right, Hyun Sao. Drop the elbows down, double Biu Gee strike to the neck. Deflect the straight punch using a Pak Sao, following up with a double Biu Gee strike to the neck. Here we demonstrate the application moving from the Tan Sao Bong Sao hand. The Tan Sao will move into a Chun Sao, apply a Lop Sao, and then a double Biu Gee strike to the neck. We'll begin with section 1, beginning with a double Biu Gee strike. The elbows drop down, follow with a double Biu Gee strike to the neck. Make sure the fingers stay closed so do not damage them. We're now going to get ready and shift to a left side neutral with a left Bong Sao, right side neutral right Bong Sao, left side neutral left Bong Sao, Hyun Sao to jut, step through with a left toe kick. Step down, right arm break, left arm break, right arm break, cover across with the right, finishing with 3 palm strikes to the jaw, left, right, and left. Starting from the double Biu Gee, move to a right side bong sao, right side neutral, left side bong sao, left side neutral, right side bong sao, right side neutral, Hyun sao, Jut sao, toe kick to 3 arm breaks, left arm break, right arm break, left arm break, left arm clears, 3 palm strikes, right, left, right. Defend the straight punch with a bong sao. T-step, pak sao to expose the ribs, apply a front kick, toe kick to the ribs. Step down, arm break, clear the arm, finish up with 3 palm strikes. From the look sao roll, take a T-step and apply a bong sao lap sao. Front kick follow up, arm break, check lead arm, 3 palms to finish. Defend the straight punch with a bong sao. Defend the round punch with the pak sao. Front kick to the body. Step in, pak sao punch to the body. Arm break. Follow and finish with 3 palm strikes to the head. Release with a bong sao as you T-step. Use a pak sao from the round punch. Front kick to the body. Pak sao punch to the body. Arm break. Finish 3 palm strikes. From the third palm strike, we take a half step as we do a chun sao with our left arm. T-step behind, lap sao. Whole foot kick to the body. Step down. Step out as we do a bong sao. Release as we lap sao. Again, we bong sao with the left. Lap sao. Again, last. Starting from the third palm strike, half step over chun sao. T-step is your lap sao. Whole foot kick to the body. Step down. Step out. Bong sao on the right. Release step lap sao. Second bong sao on the right. Release step lap sao. Third bong sao on the right. This time step through lap sao and punch. Set up for fut sao. Step across, fut sao straight across on the section. Jut sao the center, palm strike. Close the piece. Defend the round punch. Take a half step toward it with the Chun Sao. T-step behind Lop Sao. Front kick to the body. Defend the second round punch with a Bong Sao. Move to the outside. Follow up with Lop Sao and punch. Check the elbow with a Pak Sao. Finish with a palm strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.